Good morning students. Let's start chapter 6 Visual Basic, short form VB. Okay, in this chapter we will learn about event driven programming, modes of VB program, parts of a VB screen, VB integrated development environment, contents of Visual Basic IDE का full form integrated development environment, executing Visual Basic program and saving a project and a form. Okay, now before we begin Visual Basic programming, let us understand some basic concepts of programming. A computer program is an organized list of instructions that when executed causes the computer to behave in a manner. Without programs, computer are useless. Okay, therefore programming means designing or creating a set of instructions to ask the computer to carry out certain jobs which normally are very much faster than human beings can do. Okay, a lot of people think that computer CPU is a very intelligent thing, which in actual fact is a dumb and inanimate object that can do nothing without human assistance. The microchips of a CPU can only understand two distinct electrical states, namely the on and off states or 0 and 1 codes in the binary system. So the CPU only understands combinations of 0 and 1 code. A language which we called machine language. Machine language is extremely difficult to learn and it is not for us laymen to master it easily. We have many smart programmers who wrote interpreters and compilers that are translate human language like programs such as BASIC into machine languages so that the computer can carry out the instructions entered by the users. Machine language is known as primitive language while interpreters and compilers like Visual Basic are called high-level language. Some of the high-level computer languages beside Visual Basic are Fortran, COBOL, Java, C, C++, Turbo, Pascal, etc. ओके, मीन्स कंप्यूटर क्या होता है हमारा इंस्ट्रक्शंस पे वर्क करता है. हम जैसा उसको इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हैं उस पर क्या होता है वो आउटपुट देता है. ओके, तो हम क्या करते हैं उस पर प्रोग्रामिंग यूज़ करते हैं जिसके थ्रू वो क्या है पर्टिकुलर मैनर पे वर्क करता है. नाउ इंट्रोडक्शन. Visual Basic, a popular programming language among beginners. It was developed by Microsoft in May 1991. It is based on the basic language and provides a variety of tools to create user-friendly applications with graphical user interface. That is why it is called Visual Basic. Visual Basic creates event-driven program applications which encourage higher user interaction through icons, menus, pointers, buttons and dialog boxes, etc. Okay, it is a user friendly. We can easily create a form in Visual Basic. Now event driven programming. In computer programming, event driven programming or event based programming is a programming pattern in which the flow of the program is determined by events. Example, sensor outputs or user actions, mouse clicks, key presses or messages from other programs or threads. Event-driven programming can also be defined as an application architecture technique in which the application has a main loop which is clearly divided down to two sections. First, event selection or event detection. Second is event handling. For example, in the given scenario, click enter and exit buttons are two different events. When we click any of them, it executes the associated task while the statements associated with the other button play no role. Okay, here is some example you can see here. Here is a event. Okay, basic code and here is event process and event procedure. Okay, now modes of VB program. A Visual Basic program has three modes. First, design mode, second, run mode and third, break mode. As the name, design mode, okay, as the name suggests, this is the state when we create objects and write logical statements for VB applications. In this mode, the programmer plays plays a very important role. Okay. Now run mode. This is a mode in which the statements written by a programmer are executed by the end user and the application performs the task for which it has been designed. Now third, break mode. When an application generates errors or does not give the desired results, we halt its execution for removing errors. Such a mode is called a break mode. ओके फर्स्ट हम डिज़ाइन करेंगे, देन उसको रन कराएंगे प्रोग्राम को, देन अगर कुछ डिफ़ॉल्ट है वो क्या होगा, ब्रेक मोड. नाउ स्टार्टिंग अ विजुअल बेसिक. ओके, follow these simple steps to open the Visual Basic screen. First, click on the Start button. Second, click on All Programs. Third, click on Visual Basic 6.0. You will find the opening window. Okay, सेम एज इट इज़ अदर प्रोग्रामिंग ओपन करते हैं ऐसा हम ओपन कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, click on open to open a new Visual Basic project. When you open the new project dialog box, select the standard exe option. You will see the following screen. ओके, आपको यहाँ पे जो स्क्रीन दिख रही है ये आपका विजुअल बेसिक. ओके, नाउ पार्ट्स ऑफ अ विजुअल बेसिक स्क्रीन. प्रोजेक्ट. A project in Visual Basic is a place to store the pieces of your program and keep those pieces organized. ओके, ये प्रोजेक्ट में क्या होता है, आप जो भी फॉर्म क्रिएट करते हैं, आप बनाते हैं, उसके प्रोग्राम क्या होते हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर रहते हैं, स्टोर होते हैं. ओके, नाउ टूल बार. The toolbar provides the user quick access to the most commonly used functions of a program. The title bar and the menu bar are important toolbars. Okay, now title bar. Title bar gives the title for the project. When the Visual Basic screen is opened, then by default the name of the project is Project 1, which can be changed at the time of saving the project. आप title क्या कर सकते हैं, changes कर सकते हैं उस पर. Now menu bar. The menu bar displays the commands that are required to build an application. The main menu items have sub-menu items that can be chosen when needed. The toolbars in the menu bar provide quick access to the commonly used commands, and a button in the toolbar is clicked once to carry out the action represented by it. Now Visual Basic Integrated Development Environment. Okay. An integrated development environment or interactive development environment is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. Okay, इसमें ये क्या करता है, हमें एक एप्लीकेशन प्रोवाइड करता है जिसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं, अपना सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप कर सकते हैं. द स्टैंडर्ड विजुअल बेसिक विंडो कंटेन द मेनू बार, toolbar, toolbox and various other windows such as layout window, properties window, code window, etc. Okay, this is your Visual Basic IDE. Okay, this one. Now Visual Basic Integrated Development Environment bundles are these tools and provides us an interface where we can design, edit, compile and execute the application on a single platform. Now contents of Visual Basic IDE Integrated Development Environment. Now first, title bar. The title bar is present at the top of the window and displays the name of the currently opened project. Okay, this is your title bar. Now second, menu bar. Menu bar contains many menu items and sub-menus. These items give access to various options which help in developing the application. Okay. Now toolbar. Toolbar contains small icons that give access to frequently used menu items. These icons act as shortcuts to the options available in the menu bar. Okay. Now next, form window. This is form window. Okay, this one is a form window. Now a form is an interface using which a user interacts with the application. A form contains many control elements such as label, text boxes, command buttons, etc. Using these controls, a user enters data and gives instruction to the applications. The form window provides us with a blank form where we can place various controls as per our requirement. Okay. Now properties window. Properties are attributes that define the appearance and behavior of objects. Forms have many properties such as name, caption, font, color and border style, etc. Properties window is used to set the properties of forms and the controls placed on them. Okay, आप यहाँ से क्या कर सकते हैं, प्रॉपर्टीज पूरी आप चेंज कर सकते हैं अपने अकॉर्डिंग. दिस इज योर टूल बॉक्स. Okay, now toolbox. The toolbox contains a set of controls that are used to place on a form while designing it, hereby creating the user interface area. Okay, now project window. This one is the project window. Okay, now this window displays a list of forms and other objects that constitute the application. This list is organized in the form of a branching structure like Windows Explorer. To open any project, we can double click on its icon in the project window. Okay, यहाँ पे आपका फॉर्म दिख रहा है, फॉर्म 1. ठीक है, आप यहाँ से डबल क्लिक करके ओपन कर सकते हैं. नाउ कोड विंडो. The code window is used for event driven program for different objects created on form. You may get the code window by either of the following methods. Click on view menu. Okay, or view code option. Then the code window appears. Notice the change in the name of the form in title bar. It changes from design to code. ओके, आप कोडिंग ओपन कर रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, वो डिज़ाइन टू कोड आपका क्या हो जाएगा, टाइटल बार पे ओपन हो जाएगा. ओके, और यहाँ पे आपको ये दिख रहा है यहाँ पे कोड. नाउ यू कैन ऑल्सो गेट द कोड विंडो बाय डबल क्लिकिंग एनीवेयर ऑन द फॉर्म इन द डिज़ाइन मोड. ठीक है, आप डिज़ाइन मोड पे डबल क्लिक करेंगे तो आपका कोड विंडो क्या हो जाएगा, ओपन हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, एग्जीक्यूटिंग विजुअल बेसिक प्रोग्राम. ओके, you need to execute the Visual Basic program to view the result of the design and coding. To do so, you need to follow the steps given below. First, click on Run menu, then Start option. Okay, or click on the Start button. The output window appears. Okay, क्या हो जाएगा वहाँ पे, आपका आउटपुट ओपन हो जाएगा. Now, inserting controls in Visual Basic project. Let us see how an application can be created in Visual Basic. Follow these steps to insert controls in the Visual Basic project. First, click on Start menu, then Visual Basic folder, then Visual Basic application. Next, in the new project window, select the standard.exe option. Okay. Now click on Create button. A new window with default name project 1 and with a default form 1 appears. Use the objects present on the toolbox to design the controls on the form as shown. For example, click on the label tool. Okay, then label tool A present on the toolbox. The mouse pointer changes to the plus sign. Okay, now place the mouse pointer on the form and drag it to make a place for the label. आप जहाँ पे चाहते हैं उस फॉर्म में क्या कर सकते हैं, उस लेबल को क्या कर सकते हैं, प्लेस कर सकते हैं, रख सकते हैं वहाँ पे. रिपीट द प्रोसेस फॉर डिजाइनिंग डिफरेंट कंट्रोल्स ऑन द फॉर्म. ओके, लेबल, टेक्स्ट, कमांड्स आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग ये बटन्स आप क्या कर सकते हैं, यूज़ कर सकते हैं. नाउ गो टू प्रॉपर्टीज़ विंडो एंड चेंज द प्रॉपर्टी एज गिवन बिलो. ठीक है, आप यहाँ से क्या कर सकते हैं, इसकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ चेंज कर सकते हैं. ओके, अपने अकॉर्डिंग. नाउ caption of label 1 as enter name, caption of label 2 as enter class, caption of command 1 as display hey friends. ठीक है, जो हमने लेबल लिया था उसमें क्या कर दिया हमने, उसका प्रॉपर्टीज चेंज कर दिया, उसका नेम चेंज कर दिया. ओके, नाउ कैप्शन ऑफ कमांड 2 एग्जिट, ये एग्जिट के लिए यहाँ पे hey friends. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर डूइंग द अबव चेंजेस द फॉर्म डिज़ाइन विल अपीयर एज शोन इन फिगर. ठीक है, ये आपका क्या हो जाएगा, फॉर्म का डिज़ाइन. ओके, दिस इज़ योर फॉर्म, ये आपका फॉर्म का डिज़ाइन. नाउ टू एग्जीक्यूट द फॉर्म, टू सी द प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द फॉर्म फिगर, क्लिक ऑन स्टार्ट टूल प्रेजेंट ऑन द टूल बार. ओके, Now click on, or you can use click on run menu or start button. Okay. The to stop the execution of the program of the form, click on stop tool present on the standard toolbar or click the run menu and option. Okay. नाउ सेविंग अ प्रोजेक्ट एंड अ फॉर्म. सेव कैसे करना, आपका प्रोजेक्ट एक बन गया फॉर्म. नाउ इसको सेव कैसे करते हैं. यू कैन सेव एनी प्रोजेक्ट इन विजुअल बेसिक बाय फॉलोइंग द स्टेप्स गिवन हियर. क्लिक फाइल मेनू, सेव प्रोजेक्ट एज ऑप्शन. Now second, the save file as dialog box appears. Enter the name of the form here. Click on save button. The save project as dialog box appears. Enter the name of the project here. Click on the save button. The newly created form and project will be saved with the specified name. Okay, ये आपका प्रोजेक्ट क्या हो जाएगा, सेव हो जाएगा. Okay, we will do our practical in our live class. Okay, thank you.